Hey, so a lot of people have been asking to see inside what the school platform looks like. So here we go. So this is the community. This is just a chat, really, is really all it is. You just, if you have questions, if you want to talk about something, whatever, this is just a chat that we have, it's just our community page. Then this page is our classroom. Where do we start? We start right here. So I'm not going to go into the modules, but I'll show you what it entails. So start here, how to use school calendar, what now, how to explain MMR. Okay, so that's your first module. Second one, introduction to digital marketing. So we have just a brief introduction. Then we have the foundation, the mission statement, the vision, brand position, Notion Netflix brand position. This video is fabulous. It is really cool. And then there's a video on mission, vision, and value templates. So that's your second module. Your third one, setting up system EIO. Okay, wait till y'all see this. Look how many trainings they have on it. It is literally step by step how to do everything. How to fix your 404 error. How to fix your SEO. How to check your site. I mean, like, it's fabulous. Like, it's just great. And look right here. 30% off domain with GoDaddy. Whoop, whoop. There you go. Troubleshoot your funnel. So there's some videos on how to do that. How to make a sales process. Okay, so this is how, if you have a physical product that you want to do, this is what this module is. I don't do physical products anymore, so I didn't really pay too much attention to that. But if you have a physical product that you want to promote, here you go, right here. Okay, so that's setting up system EIO. Optimize your sales process. Boom. Creating a newsletter, how to add payment options. So if you don't know, we have payment options for this training, which is great. Yes. So how to create a discount code, how to use Calendly, how to add testimonials, how to add frequently asked questions. They cover it all, y'all. It's really a fabulous training. This module is all on email marketing. Create your email campaign, email templates. Okay, so they have email templates that will be uploaded through ChatGPT, but they don't give you emails. But I think within the next week or so, Michelle is going to offer a share funnel and 5 emails, I think is what she's doing, but I'm not sure. I think that's coming. So how to schedule your emails out, add a tag, how to set up an autoresponder, how to track your leads, how to remove a tag, newsletters, how to create a newsletter. So that's your email template, your email module. Branding expansion. Y'all, this module is fabulous. I learned so much from these videos. It's absolutely great. It teaches you how to brand yourself, how to brand a product, if that's what you want to do. It's just a really all in all around great training, this branding is. Content strategy. We all need that, right? Short form video content. Okay. Why, what, how, when, all the questions that you need to answer in your videos. 1 minute content tips, keyword research, good hooks. So they give you a whole bunch of good hooks, mindset, text on screen. They really touch on a little bit of everything. How to repurpose your content. So I use Repurpose.io. If you have some questions about that, let me know. Where are we? Platforms to market on. Okay. Facebook. Okay. So of course everybody knows Facebook. Here's a bunch of training on stuff. I learned a few things in here. It's a really good training. Okay, this is what was surprised me so much. Craigslist. Who knew that Craigslist was still alive? I didn't even know people still use Craigslist, but obviously they do. You can post a free ad in like a for sale by owner or the business section or something. And what's good about Craigslist is you can post more than one ad around the United States, like New York, Miami, San Francisco, LA, Atlanta, Nashville, wherever. It doesn't have to be exactly where you live. So you can post it around the United States and you can post it multiple times, which is fabulous. And look at this, free. It's free. They do have some ads on Craigslist that are $5, but you can find free ones. Yeah. And then, so they're about to add a TikTok module about all this fun stuff right here. I think that should be added within the next week. So, platforms, okay, business tools. These are a bunch of tools that we use every day. I'm doing this video on Loom right now. I use Canva multiple times a day. Coolers, when you're doing your branding, you need to pick your colors and stick with those colors throughout everything. It's branding. So when people see like turquoise, navy blue, and coral, they know that that's me. That's Sandy Toes Knows. That's my colors: coral, navy blue, and turquoise. Pexels. That is a program that has stock photos and videos. So if you want to do a no face channel, Pexels is your go-to. They have everything you can imagine. Notion is a cool. It just gives you content ideas. Figma is some kind of cartoon thing, I think. I'm not sure what this is. I didn't really understand what it was. And then OpenAI, which is an AI tool, like ChatGPT, or Canva's got an AI tool, stuff like that. But this is ChatGPT. Okay. Master resale rights. Okay, this one, you need to read this one first if you get into the training. This is going to have your distribution rights, okay, which is going to tell you what you can and can't do. So it says it can, it's just going to give you your rules of what you can and can't do with the training. So it's kind of a Bible of this. Terms and condition, privacy policy, income disclosure, master resale rights certificate. So you get a certificate that allows you to resell the training. Downloading your files. So it teaches you how to download the files if you want to start your own training. So you can download the files, then upload them back into Zoom, and so you can brand yourself. Okay. Business tools. Okay, we did that. And then this is just recorded Zooms. So if you missed the Zoom on Friday, you can go back and watch it. Okay, so that's the classroom, peeps. That's it. So this is a calendar. So if Michelle has something going on, she'll put it on this calendar and add a Zoom link to it. This is a members. We have 55 members now. We're growing. We grew a lot this weekend. This is the leaderboard. So this is just it's just a fun little leaderboard that tells you who's really active in the community. So they have a 7-day, 30-day, and an all-time. So it's just a little fun. It's just fun to see who's active, it's just fun. I love it. And that's about. So Michelle hasn't really done too much in this, but right here you can book a one-on-one call with her. You can get the mobile app for Apple for iOS. I don't know that they have it for Androids yet, but they have it for iOS. And then community rules. And y'all, that's it in a nutshell. It is a fabulous, this classroom gives it all. It's 100% legit. It is just straight to the point, which I love. And so if y'all have any questions at all, let me know. Shoot me a message and I'll be happy to answer whatever you have. I hope y'all have a great and blessed day. See ya.